What's guys? This is Dhomir here. Today we're gonna play. Uh, don't press the button. He was. This game was second oldest game. You have mini games. Really? Alright, I have a 10 and oh, seems she got this up. Press it. Find the correct pack. Oh my. Oh, gotta be kidding me. Oh, I need Oh, copyright. Oh, there's a copyright. Some read my videos keep having copyright for no reason. I'm just like wait like this. Oh wait, good job on surviving. Oh, see she was lucky. Wait, I need before that I need to make a thumbnail. All right, I gotcha. Time to finish this obby. Well, that's quite easier. Oh, oh, oh! I jumped early. I didn't use. I didn't realize using coil, but never mind. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh no! Ah, oh no! Wait. Wait. Yeah, I think she's one. Right. Oh, I see. I followed. I need to follow. Uh, what? Okay. I think I choose the middle. Oh, copyright. Oh, I don't like copyright musics. Alright, easy. Oh, I'm right. I'm right. Let me see what was that. I have a 10 coins. What? Oh, what's this? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh, oh. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, no. Oh my god. Oh, oh my. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Three of us. Are you? Alright, alright, I get it, I get it. Oh, I was rarely to play this. I mean, rarely. Oh, sorry, this sword fight. Oh, what kind is that? Oh.